Hi guys, so alam ko I'm super early. I don't usually live at this time. Alexa, play Cherry Wine by Hozier. Alam ko hindi ako usually nagla-live gantong oras, but ang dami kong Shopee packages. Here. And gusto ko siya i-unbox while I'm on live kasi I think chinek out ko to habang nalasing. So, I don't know what I bought. So, we will discover what I bought drunk together. Diba? Like, have you guys, naganasan diba yun? Like, nag-check out kayo na hindi, like, sobrang impulsive and then, like, when it comes, hindi mo alam kung ano yung nasa loob. That's me today. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong meron dito, kung ano yung nasa loob. But, we will discover it together. And I wanted to no, I just wanted to talk to you guys and I missed you. As in, ang dami, when I came in 70 Hero, I was, ang dami mong hawak. The 70 Hero, oh, sabi ko kay Hero, I have a problem. So, let's do it. Tsaka, ang ganda pala pag natural lighting, no? Parang mas fresh ako. This is what I look like with natural lighting, guys. What if I live from here kaya, no? Para change of scenery. Gusto niyo ba? Like this? If I live like this? Or do you want the old setup? Kaya bahala. This one or the other one? This? Okay. So, sorry. Huwag pala. It's okay. Are you sure? Okay. Wait lang. It's a crime. Sorry. Okay, I'll move my packages muna. Ang dami, like, I have so much. Also, guys, I want to have yung mga binili ko galing din siya sa TikTok shop. So, I want to start making content. I want to start making content na parang like mag-fit check ako tapos i-yellow basket yung, you know, what I'm wearing. So, yeah. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with the small packages muna. Guys, by the way, you can ask questions din or like we can talk about stuff habang nag-unbox ako para, you know, hindi kayo ma-bored. This one is from TikTok shop. See if it's nice. Tulangan na kita. Oh, this is so nice. Guys, if-fit check ko to and then I'll tag sa Yellow Basket. But yeah, hi TJ. Named my kitten after you, Wacky. Oh, that's so cute. Asan ka, Wacky? I'm at home. Ikaw, ang ganda nito. You guys can ask me questions, I'll go lang. I got now what I ordered from your live. Selling nice! I'm so excited for you to start. Guys, kakainom ko lang ng Glutalipo. Oh, I bought headphones from TikTok shop din. Guys, this one's really good. Condo tour. Okay, quick condo tour. Ayan. Condo tour. Rinig ba yung music? School update. Okay, so guys, yung first face-to-face class ko is tomorrow na. So, hindi na ako pwede magpuyat. So, is it okay ba if I live parang earlier? Like, siguro I'm gonna live like 8 to 9 or 8 to 10 para by 12 nakatulog na ako. What's your next sked sa Gluta para makapag-ipon? I'm not sure, but ako ang sabihin. February 1. February 1. Oop. February 1 yung next sked ko, guys. How much? This is like 1K lang. I'm gonna review it and then post ko sa TikTok. Yun na yung bagong content ko. Madali lang gawin and like Para may excuse ako mag-shopping. Sabihin ko, no, TikTok ko to eh. Look, it's so nice. And the review said like it lasts for so long. And syempre, nagji-gym ako, di ba? So, habang nagji-gym, this is better than Wired. Yeah, you green. You green. Okay. Moving on. Kamusta kayo though? Mga what time po yung maaga ang tulog? I think po like 12 midnight tulog na ako. Bakit, Gel? Wow, TikTok affiliate. Siyempre yung TikTok affiliate na may class naman. Like, I'm gonna pretend na mag-e-effort talaga ako sa content. I also bought this. Alam ko nakikita nyo to sa TikTok. I'm sure. These nasal relief strips. A mouth breather ako when I sleep and I really want to start breathing with my nose. So, I tried this. Try ko nga tonight. Try ko ngayon actually if kagana siya. Kasi nakikita ko to sa TikTok. Like, when they put it on, they can breathe all of a sudden. Guys, totoong honest review na to, ah. Honest review to. MS sa 12 AM tulog na. Guys, no promise. Bagong era na to. Tingnan natin kung totoo to. How do you do it? Oop. Ilan po ang tattoo nyo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tattoos. Kuya Ben! I miss you, Kuya Ben. Are you here ba? Sa condo? Magkita tayo mamaya. Ay, paano to? I really wanna try this. Okay. Ang weird. Actually, okay, may difference pala siya. May difference pala siya actually. Wait lang ah. Wait lang. Honest to guys, I'm being honest. I'm not selling this. Yeah, it's actually... Yeah. And then if I take it out... Actually, konti lang yun. Okay, ito, honest review guys sa Nasalite. May difference naman siya, pero konti lang. Siguro, mafe-feel mo yung effect when you're asleep. But for me, may effect naman, pero konti lang. At least it works. Okay, let's put it back. What else did I buy kaya? Yung paa, yeah, actually guys, it's working, pero not really super. Like, sucks lang. Pero it's affordable naman, so if you want to improve your sleep, try nyo. Pero try ko mamaya habang nakatulog. Ano ginagawa nila? Okay. Wait, ski. Ay, mga kado. Obsessive, diba? No class. No, wala akong class every Wednesday, guys. Guys, ang ganda pala ng schedule ko. Like, I'm really happy kasi maka-live ako anytime I want because I only have class Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So, I can live. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, diba? So, okay, next, let's unbox this. Ayuda. Well, this is a polo. This one is from TikTok Shop, dude. More chances of seeing you na, yes. Lululemon. What do you mean Lululemon ba? Happy birthday, Love Nicholas. Happy birthday sa'yo. I miss Perlas. This is nice. It's like, yung plain lang na blue polo per cropped siya. Ganda ng tela. It's nice. Okay, live seller. You know what? Why am I giving my reaction? I'm just gonna unbox. Thank you for making Bawis alive. I love you! Guys, my Gracie Abrams wildflower case came! Gel!
Ha?
Gel, look!
You ordered it and you didn't tell me?
No, it's not, it's from Shopee.
I don't want more.
I'll buy you one. Guys, look! I was gonna buy you one, but then I wanted to see if it's nice muna before I buy two. Oy, sad si Gel. Come here. Come here. Huwag ka na magtampo. Look at the case. Ganda. Tampo siya. Sorry. Sorry. Cute siya, guys. Gracie Abrams wildflower case. I'll buy you one. I can't wait. Ito yun na yung bagong case ko. Are you hoarding blue stuff? Blue is my favorite color. I love how blue looks on me. So, most of the clothes I bought are blue. Tsaka yun din yung Instagram feed ko eh. So, ganda link. Okay, I'll post all my links on my discussion channel and sa Yellow Basket ko. This one actually, galing to sa sikat brand sa TikTok shop. Yung Made in Manila. Maingay ba yung music? Let me know ah. So, Joe, I love you. It's a crop polo siya. Wow, it's so nice. Medyo mahal lang to from TikTok shop. I think this is like 900. Pero the quality is really good and ang ganda ng fit. So, I'm transitioning to a fashion creator. This is the reason why adami ko binili. Sino kasama ni Gel sa likod? Siya lang. What the hell? Okay. This is from TikTok shop din. Oy, Fashion King. Okay, next. I've been really into like mga sports related clothes lately. Link ng long sleeves, guys. I will post all the links after the live. So, and then this is nice din. Like it's very sporty. I have this in another color actually. Ganda siya. This is like 200 pesos lang. Ganda. This is also nice for girls pag gusto niyo yung oversize, okay? I wanna try live selling clothes. I feel like I'd be good at it. This one's nice, dude. 200 lang to, grabe. Let him sell. Guys, I'm not selling. I'm unboxing and reacting din. This one's nice. Ano talaga siya? Embroidery. Grabe. For 200, that's so good. Pamay na lang. Whew. This is nice. I can wear this with like denim shorts and my sambos. That's nice. Hi, Dan! Hi, Dan! But guys, last night, the other night kasi, I was on TikTok shop hanggang 2 AM. Imagine, nagsuscroll lang ako. Just trying to find yung mga underrated na TikTok shop clothes. And I found a lot. This is also from TikTok shop. Diba? I look like a different person na. Iba na yung personality ko. If I'm wearing glasses, mabait na ako. Ganun. Uy, may pa-freebie pa sila, oh. Oh, I have a 150 off voucher. Thank you so much, Metro Sunnies. Okay. This one's nice, ah. These are cute. This is, ano lang, guys. I think this is like 400 lang from Metro Sunnies. I think it looks cute. Do you like it ba on me? Yellow Basket. Walang Yellow Basket. This is just my initial reaction muna. But, ito yung tissue. Okay. Ito, kailangan ko to. This is from, of course, from Ate Jenny. Okay. Pumasok ka muna. Huy! Lino, I miss you. More clothes. Oh, this is white pants. Guys, I feel like yung pinaka-uso ngayon is white pants. White pants. And these are denim white pants. These are really nice. I think they just go with everything kasi like hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-match ng mga damit nyo because white goes with everything. And lalo pa pag ito yung cut, yung medyo baggy. This is a good find. This is only like $1.99. I'm gonna put everything in my yellow basket din mamaya. Gel, I got you something though.
Wow.
Don't look muna. Don't look. I'm gonna show the viewers muna. I think you like it though. Hindi tayo matchy pero they're like related.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Gago, ang ganda. Don't look muna! Ganda. I don't know if you can see what it says, but this is the first shirt. Ang ganda. And then this is the second shirt. This is also from TikTok shop. Di mabasa yung text. This one din. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, Gal, come here. Isn't that so nice? Look at the print.
That's so cute.
And the star. Yeah, right.
Ah, this is for me?
Yeah, and then this is
Yay!
mine.
Thank you.
Mine, I love you. Mine's a good riddance one with the cake. And then this one. But of course, we're sharing clothes
Yeah, of
because we
course,
have one
yeah.
closet. So basically, it's for both of us.
Guys, look. And
Yeah.
the star. Thank you, I love you.
I love you. Okay, next. I also... Guys, to be honest, ito talaga yung best na tissue. For me. Like, ang mura, and then it's super... like... Hindi siya mahapde sa... What's itchy in... Makate sa skin. Anyway. Pati yung tissue na-explain ko talaga, no? Okay, let me take this off. I miss you guys so much. Kamusta kayo? I wanna let you know. What is this? Umorder ba ako ng stuffed toy? Look! I don't remember, guys. Hero girl. I don't remember buying this. What the? Okay, so you know what, guys? I'm gonna make this a giveaway. Whoever wants this, mag-giveaway. This is actually so cute. Actually, it's really cute. Wow, who bought this? Siyempre ako, it has my name eh. You know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway on my discussion channel, guys. I'll do a giveaway. Whoever... Ano kaya pwede? What if I... Yeah, basta abangan sa discussion channel ko, I'm gonna give this away. The Gracie shirt, may pang girls? Yes, actually, may pang girls fit din. Pero if gusto niyo yung oversized, pwede din yan actually. Yung normal na pang lalaki. But yeah, I'm gonna give this away sa discussion channel ko. Guys, I don't even remember buying this. Kaya ko ito binili. Grabe, siguro sobrang lasing ako nung nag-checkout, no? Anyway, yun yung finds ko. Ang dami pang dadating in the coming days. I think I have like 20 more packages. So, medyo... na-OA ako sa checkout. But yes, I will post later. I'm also gonna post the links for my... Ang cute nito, pero it doesn't match my condo. I'm gonna post the links to my everything I bought. Yes, sir. Also, I got my eyebrows done. So, ito yung bagong eyebrows ko. I feel like it makes a difference. I feel like I look better. What do you think? I miss you, Tubbs. Ayuda sa higel. Wag na. Delikado ngayon if I show what they're doing. Sana all. Kami na lang. Anyway, it's big ha. Sobrang laki. Laki niya. Gathering kailan ba? Kailan? You look good. Thank you guys. Actually, I like it talaga. Si Bella nag-suggest na I should maintain yung eyebrows ko. So, yeah, thank you, Bella. Actually, kagabi, I had a movie night with Bella, Cholo, and Debbie. We watched Heretic and The Wild Robot again. So, yeah. It's a no. It was really fun. Mag-shave ka? Totoo ba? I don't know. I kind of like yung parang may konting hair. But if you guys want me to shave, I'll shave. Missing Debbie. Kaya nga, di na siya nagla-live. Na busy na siya sa work. Alexa, next song. Ang saya live ni Sai kagabi. I didn't get to watch. What happened ba sa live ni Sai kagabi? Stuffed toys galing sa amin. What do you mean ba? Started listening to Gracie because of you and Gal. I love you, Hannah. Pinag-uusapan na namin, Dad. Sabihin ka namin pag-finalize na. Sure, please. Miss ko na kayo. Wala na parcel, guys. Wala na. Wala nang parcel. Siguro bukas pa yan. I think I have a lot more. What is this? Ano yan? Kanina ko pa siya. Ano ba yan? Anyway. Kadiri. But, I have a lot of parcels pa coming. Like, siguro bukas. So, ang payat mo na po. Totoo ba? Thank you. Ang sipag ko mag-gym lately. And mag-diet. Gabi yung diet ko. Pinagtripan ni Bricks and Gino. Nagpuksaan. I wanna watch your screen recordings. Iba talaga aura mo pag ng room mo pag maliwanag. Yeah. My room feels more bright, no? Gift yung stuffed toys sa'yo, Wakibu. Gift siya? Totoo ba? Hindi. Galing to sa TikTok shop. It says here. Gift ba to? I don't think this is a gift, guys. Kasi when I unboxed it, it had my name on it. Joaquin Tiu TikTok shop. Bunot siya kagabi. Kuwawa naman. But yeah, totoo ba? Gift ba to, guys? I don't think gift to. It said, Joaquin Tiu, hanapin ko ah. Hanapin ko yung... Here, look. Ito siya. Receiver, Joaquin Tiu. Has my address, sender, GoToy, TikTok shop. Fade na. Muntik pang i-giveaway na. Totoo ba? Okay, whoever sent this to me, let me know. Pero kasi yung pangalan ko nandito. Like, TikTok shop order ko daw siya. Guys, kayo. Ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga? Let me know. Whoever gave this to me. Basta I'm really happy for my Gracie Abrams case din. Actually, umorder din ako ng Gracie Abrams necklace. Pero na out of stock sila. Gift daw nila Leia. Totoo ba? Okay, sige. I won't give it away then. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep it. Actually, super cute siya. Pero Leia, if galing to sa'yo, thank you. Sorry kasi walang pangalan. Walang nakalagay dito. Too wacky from Leia. Yung nakalagay dito is Joaquin Tiu TikTok shop. I'm sorry. I love you. Sorry. Nakaka-obsess mga songs si Gracie, diba? Gabi. Lalo pa pag paggabi. Tapos gusto mo mag-relapse. Tapos kasi ang delicate ng voice niya. Also, yeah. This Gracie Abrams case, I think available din to sa TikTok shop. So, I'm gonna post it. But this is what it looks like. Ganda. I wanna wear it on my phone na. Direct ni Harley sa name ko. Okay, Leia. Thank you. Okay, so this is from Leia talaga. Okay, gets. Okay, thank you so much. Sorry. Di ako sasanay na yung gift is like yung name ko talaga. Usually may nakalagay na from Leia. Leia, shout out sa'yo. Thank you so much. I'm sorry na akala ko TikTok shop order ko kasi parang timing din na dumating siya with yung mga ibang TikTok orders ko. Sorry. I love you. Muntik na i-giveaway yung gift. Buti na lang nandito kayo to tell me. Thank you guys. Sorry. Pasensya. I love you, Leia. I was saying kanina na this is so cute nga. Thank you. Buti lang nanonood siya. Oo nga, Leia, thank you ah. Thank you. I'm not gonna give this away, guys. Sorry. Nasisi pa yung alak. Kaya nga, di ba sabi ko kanina, guys, in-order ko ba to? Parang hindi ko to in-order eh. As in, wala akong memory na in-order ko to. Kaya pala. Thank you, Leia. Blooper of Buddha. Blooper moment. Mikey, how are you? I love you. I have a question. Are Olivia Rodrigo and Gracie Abrams friends pa? Actually, pinag-usapan namin ni Gel yun. Hindi namin alam. I feel like they are, pero not as close as before. Anong favorite Gracie song niyo? Wakibu, what's your take on Taylor Swift being Blake's? I saw that nga eh. Actually, hindi ako masyadong informed sa issue na yan, but wala. Risk pa rin. Okay, Alexa, play Risk by Gracie Abrams. Alexa, play Risk by Gracie Abrams. Is Gel going live mamaya? Gel, are you going live mamaya? Hero will go live daw mamaya. And nandun naman si Gel. How did you down? Know you had a girl, but it didn't work out. Scammer si Hero kagabi. I'm not proud, cause I'm just scared of you shooting it down. You can just talk and stare at your mouth. Wacky, I missed you na in your book club. What's my book club ba? Hindi ka ba magdinagyang? No guys, di ako uuwi para sa dinagyang because I have school. Cause you're not here. What are your thoughts ba? Anong mas masikip sa breakup? Is it healthy breakup or toxic breakup? To be honest guys, mas masakit yung healthy breakup. Kasi at least pag toxic and nag-away talaga kayo nung breakup, at least like, pwede kayo magalit, you can hate them. And syempre, pag hate mo yung tao, mas madali mag-move on. Pero ang hirap pag-move on pag alam niyo okay kayo, mature yung breakup, pero hindi lang talaga kayo pwede, you know? Yun yung masakit for me. It's like, okay kayo, friends kayo, pero you both of you just have to accept na hindi lang kayo bagay. And that's so hard to move on from kasi like, almost, you know yung almost could have been, diba? Opinion ko yan. You're not here. Relapse song ka na ang Free Now. Ang sakit, no? Na-experience mo na ba ang healthy breakup? Yeah, I have. Almost is never enough, no? How about sinasabing mahal ka pero walang action? That means na hindi ka mahal. Like, ang dali lang kasi magsabi na mahal kita. Pero to show it, to make effort, to choose to love someone every day, sa actions na yan. And doon mo talaga makikita kung totoo yung sinabi nila. Aga mag-live di ba? First time ko to mag-live with natural lighting in my condo, no? When do you stop compromising for someone you love? Pag hindi na balance yung pag-compromise mo. Kasi in a relationship, dapat dalawa kayo nagko-compromise. You know, and then syempre hindi pwede na ako lang yung nagko-compromise palagi kasi nauubusan din ako, diba? And may kailangan din ako. Like, it should be a balance. So siguro, stop na kayo when wala nang natira para sa sarili mo. Correct? Is that correct Tagalog, guys? Correct ba? Correct ba yung Tagalog ko? Kamusta ang puso ni Joaquin to you? Happy and at peace and contented and excited for the future. Oh, di ba? Media trained, kala nyo ah. Nakita mo na yung billboard ni QD. Nakita ko kasi sa pinost niya, pero hindi ko pa nakita in real life. And I really wanna watch it. I really wanna see it. Ang laki pala ng billboard. Like, hindi lang siya yung isang billboard. Like, parang long siya. I wanna see it. I'm so proud of QD. Like, alam nyo guys, QD is calling. But QD is really the reason why I have this platform. So I'm so happy. I'm rooting for QD. Bait niya. Grabe yung kindness niya sa akin dati pa. So to be honest, my chemistry kayong dalawa. Sino kami ni QD? Mommy ko yan. Are you still compromising? No, I think I've reached a point where I'm choosing myself, and I'm also allowing the people I love to to not compromise din. Like, I feel like it's a balance. So, tayo daw. Okay, I can. Stop. This is the third day I'm live where all the people are commenting about Philip. What is happening? Stop. Guys, friends lang kami ni Philip. Ano ba? How kapag may GBF yung BF mo, then parang nararamdam mo na mas priority pa yung kesa sa GF mismo. That means na you gotta leave. Guys, can I be honest? Wala akong tiwala sa mga, I don't know. Actually, ayoko na mag-give ng opinion. Medyo controversial siya. Right when you happen, but so that my new ship. No, there's no new ship. Stop. There doesn't have to be a ship all the time, guys. Please. Kinagan talaga. Omsim. Where's my crush, girl? Busy din. Kasama niya din yung crush niya. Whew. Wacky, listen to Fly by Midnight songs. I love Fly by Midnight. Kilala niyo ba si Anjon Sorsa? Siya yung favorite TikToker ko lately. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga content niya. Sobrang effort talaga. Siya yung nag-influence sa akin sa mga Fly by Midnight songs. So if you guys know him, grabe, he's so good. Iron, nakarami ka na. Iron, kalma ka muna daw. Waki, niuli ko pag sinulog. No, I didn't go home. I was here. Alexa, play Best by Gracie Abrams. Joaquin and Denise forever. Forever. Dead Masa Bashers. Ikaw talaga, Dad, ang nagpabalik sa akin kay Taylor Swift. Guys, I'm so happy na parang nag-share na tayo ng music taste. Alam nyo, grabe yung influence nyo sa akin with OPM. And like, mas may gana na ako listen to Heb Abby. Minsan, I learn a Heb Abby song to surprise you guys on live. Like, I'll listen to a Heb Abby song, tas I'll tell myself, alam mo, i-memorize ko to para gugulatin ko sila sa live na alam ko yung song. Diba? For you. Para sa inyo yan. Waki, kailan reschedule live din sa exclusive? Actually, I'll ask, Chani nga. To your face 20 times in the day. Little strange addiction. Wow, the effort is efforting. Oh, see. I just got home from school. Can I get a hi? Hello, Joaquin. We're the same. Podcast when? Soon. Just, it's taking time. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It's coming. Pero feel ko kasi I feel like my podcast will be different than the podcast other people are doing. Like, very, more calm siya. More serious siya. My name na sa podcast mo. Yes, my name na. Pero I won't reveal it muna. Jinho and Cute are doing a podcast. That's so fun. They're both so funny. It's gonna be a funny podcast. Jashlyn! Hello. We want to hear you, Waki, sing Have Abby songs. What's a good Have Abby song that I could sing? Hi, Edwin. Burgess by... Wag yan. Are you still planning to take vacation? No na. I have school na tomorrow eh. So now again you regret all of me, all of it. Blocking me over the internet. Won't forget all of my falling lips. I love Gracie Abrams. Sandra, I miss you. Okay, let's do... I need the lyrics muna. Lipat ako dito. I deserve it though. Where's my laptop? So, can you pass my laptop? Hold on. Fell high, I thought good riddance. Okay, let's do it. Hi Jashlyn, hello. Have you watched Hello Strangers? No, I haven't. What's that ba? The name is Best by Gracie Abrams. Alexa, play Have Abby. Actually, wait, pili ako dito. I'm gonna end the live after this song, because I have work to do pa. And I gotta clean. Pero... Havana, ang puta. Alexa, stop. Wait. Hala, yung lyrics, Gracie Abrams pa rin. Wait lang. Wait lang. Huwag na lang i-play para di muna mag-end. Hello, Mysterious. Hello. I'm shy. Hala, hindi ako papayag na mag-end tayo. Hala. Will you live again later? Yeah, I'm gonna live again later, siguro. Kulang na lang na lagi ko nasasambit. Kulang ng oras para sa akin kung pwede lang pamalit. Manatang ko pa sa tulad mo. Manatang ko sa tunay ko. Kung alam mo yan na lang na lagi ko nasasambit. Sure ba yung later? Sure na sure. Kung pwede lang pamalit. Manatang ko para sa tulad mo. Manatang ko sa tulad mo. Sumasagi ka palagi sa utak, tahan pagkato. Kung nandi ako sa isip mo, yaman mo kung magbago. Tablet kasi ang sweater. Hindi mo na nahagip sa letter. Napasabi na lang ako na swerte. Kapag nagpasakin ka, baby. Itime mo ko sa mula doon ng tweet. Madaling araw ng Martes. Para di halata ang alis. Ang konyo ng song neto. Actually, not me. Anyway, Nila yun. Para sa inyo yan.
Sasabi kung pwede lang pamalit magpapapa sa tulad mo. Panataga may tunay o kung alam mo lang yung nasasabi.
Love, Alex. Hello. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end. Bye. I love you. Do you guys actually want me to shave? You know, for me, I feel like I look okay naman. Ayaw nyo ba? You want me to shave? Jamalo. Kakapasok ko pa lang. I gotta go, guys. I got work to do. Leave it. Sana naman tayo dadalhin na panaginip mo sa aming maklaro. Kung anong gusto na presyo ay ganun o sabi tayong trato. Di na makita sa inyo sa amin malayo rin di nagtatago. Meron tayo ng pinakabago na hindi na tumisalitrato. Sana all. After this song, I like this song. After this song, final. Sa mga kakapasok lang, sige mag-extend ako para sa inyo kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo. Selos, I'm inggit, bro. I want that. Gwapo, pakis nga. Sige, sabi mo gwapo ako eh. Di okay. Akala ko giling ka. No! Life thirst trap ka nga. No. No! No. I'm wholesome na. Joke lang. KO. I like this angle pala ng pag natural lighting. I feel like iba yung mukha ko. I'm gonna make a thirst trap, guys. Screen record kayo na mag-post. Wag na. I love you, Denise. Pogi pa kiss. Ayan. Basta, if you call me pogi or guwapo, magkikiss talaga ako. Do you want some strawberry cake right now? I want strawberries. That sounds good. Bakit? Pogi pa kiss. Guwapo pa kiss. Sa'yo lahat yun. Yung ano ba? Are you a volleyball fan? No, I'm not. Pero I want to watch yung mga basketball games ng UAP. Pogi pa kiss. May magagalit ba daw? I can control naman if may magagalit, diba? Let's do... Pagis nga. Guys, who went to the 17 concert? Who went to the 17 concert? Who went? I'm so jealous. Oh shit, guys! I'm so jealous! Kamusta siya? Kamusta baby ko? Kamusta yung baby ko? Okay lang ako. Si Mela pumunta, guys. Pumunta si Mela ng free kasi sponsored siya. I'm so proud of Melan. Grabe. Sponsored siya ng 17 concert. Deserve niya. Being used financial. Diba baby ko yan eh. Jaldi, thank you. Sino bias mo sa 17? Mingyu. Where'd you get the headband? It's from Juju. Juju and friends. From the viewers. I think they got it from Shopee or TikTok shop. Thank you, Rob. Favorite ko talaga pag sinaside eye mo kami. Sinaside eye ko ba kayo? Bunot kagabi, baby mo. Bakit? Anyari ba kagabi? Kitang-kita sa view ni Melad si Mingyu. Lucky siya! Nakanyari, di ka pa nakakapag-shave. Guys! Sige, mag-shave ako bukas. Sige nga. Ang dami na comment. Sige, mag-shave na lang ako. Play Titig by Mac-Einstein. Actually, I don't know that one yet. PCD malala sa 17 concert? Oo nga, I'm sure. No? No, I won't shave? Okay. O, wag na lang. Actually, I want this muna. Bricks and Gino, hanap ka kagabi. Miss ko sila. I miss everyone from Team Bordagulan. I just want to talk. Head T Droppers League. Gago ang haggard ko ngayon. Guys, this is what I look like at home. Diba? Sa labas, ang ganda ng fits ko. Pero when I'm at home, guys, this is what I look like. This. Ilang beses na lang, lagi na lang ganyan. Kung iwasan ako ay parang ayaw akong nandyan. Sa susunod na punta ko'y pabuksan mo na sana. Kasi hirap nung mangyari ay di ako mawawala ng pag-asa. Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, susunod na lang. Ayaw kitang bibitin, kaya mabuti pa. I thought you ended already. Wala. I couldn't end. Miss ko kayo eh. Dangerous my Madison Beer. Gusto ko yan, from Heb Abbey to Madison Beer. No? Gusto yung gantong angle na lang. My back hurts eh. Magla-live ka pa mamaya? Yes. Pero siguro saglit lang mamaya because magla-live din si Hero and I live naman ngayon. Love you, kiss nga. Haggard ka ba? Di naman ah. Thank you. Ayaw
Huwag ka nang pilitin kundi
Naka-shuffle yung playlist. Guys, nakakatawa talaga pag naka-shuffle yung playlist ko. Magulat na ako, Gracie Abrams, Taylor Swift, tapos biglang mag-Have Abby, Al James, and then magiging K-pop, and then magiging Beyonce, and then magiging Drake, and then magiging Sabrina Carpenter. Paiba-iba siya. Hi, Jay. Miss mo? Sino? Miss ba ako? Yun yung tanong. Yung tanong is, dapat yung tatanong niyo sa akin is, miss ka ba? Kasi yun yung hindi ko alam. Sa susunod. Favorite song ko to ngayon.
What's up, Doji?
This is my favorite song right now, guys. Guwapo pa, Kiss.
Let me tell you the laundry. It's wiry. Now you're so confused. What you thought you do? Didn't know about me and I didn't know about Zoom. I opened up the messages. I had to hit the zoom. Turns out the chick was really a dude.
By Ahad Smooth Enjoy. No! My podcast is out tomorrow. Go! Sana hindi ako magugulat sa mga sasabihin niya. Rapper ka pala, Wowzy.
Record this and Bible record that. I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. I'm moving so fast, no time to process. I know I'm not the gang, but I'm always on set. Drop labels on the TikTok, now I'm making TikTok music. What the fuck?
With Gino, yeah, I'm excited. I love Gino's podcast. He's really funny. Tapos, yung gusto ko kay Gino is may sense talaga yung sinasabi niya. Kaya panoorin niyo bukas, guys.
Not me drugs. No. It's a natural plan.
No, I'm not judging. I'm not an addict. I'm just saying. I don't think. You wanna talk about it?
I mean, fuck, I like pills, I like drugs, I like getting money, I like strippers, I like to fuck, I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood. Hollywood shit, so I probably would.
And mukbang! Oh, that's yummy. Gusto ko magmukbang. I love you too, guys. I'm gonna end in a bit, okay? I'm gonna end 5:30. Final na.
Oopsie, made a oopsie.
Debbie, thank you! Imagine Wacky singing Banyo Queen. Christian's here, Chani. I love you. Lloydie, I miss you so much. Kamusta ka?
You breathe. Alright? Let's go.
Banyo Queen, bro. Okay na nga. Nagiging geng-geng ka na talaga. You know what? I fell into a rabbit hole kasi of like OPM music sa suggestions nyo. So, just because of you guys. In fairness, naka-Issey Miyake siya. Grabe yan. Ang aga 5:30 PM.
Singaw.
Tama na yan. Asan si Fiangi? busy sa taping eh. Mapuli ka dinagyang bro. No guys, di ako uuwi ng dinagyang. Is this your normal time slot for live? No, I usually live 11 PM. Feel ko lang mag-live gantong oras. Tulog sila. Hello from Palawan. Hello. Hello from QC. Gang na cute. Konyo boy tapos banyo queen. Umiiyak ka lang nung nakaraang gabi. Sim guys, ganyan talaga. Cry today, gang later. Diba? Wala. Tell me more. Andrew E, grabe ka. Joaquin Smith, hello! Watching from Bulacan, shout out Bulacan, I love you. Hi May, hello. Pakis din bago manahit ng patient, Nixie. Diba? Baka kasi umay na kayo kay Gracie Abrams. So sige, Andrew E tayo o ayaw niyo. Ano kaya, ano pa pwede? What's other nice songs kaya? We could do... recommend songs. My mom says, hi tita, mahal ko anak mo. Thank you sa live, Wacky. I love you. Nurse Jam, I love you more. Pakis mo na bago mag-end. Sino nagsabi mag-end ako? Pinapa-end niyo ako. Kanina, sinasabi niyo, Wacky, mag-live ka! Tapos ngayon, pinapa-end niyo ako. Wag ka mag-end. BMW. Okay. Worship song. Wait lang. Mamaya na yung worship song. Parang kasi ang weird na BMW tapos worship song yung next. Diba? Tapos yung next song. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. Diba? Ang weird. So mamaya na yan. Oh, yan. Shout out from Iloilo. What's up, Iloilo? I miss you. Pwesto, kung saan ka kontento. Okay, tama na yan. Oh, thirst trap mo, Wacky, please. No! Hindi ka branding yun. Mabait ako, ah. You think this face? Look at me. I have a headband, I have glasses. May kahag ako na stuffed toy. Magka-thirst trap to. Hindi ako ganyan. Hindi ako ganyan, guys. Bait ko. I love you, Keisha. Don't be stressed sa akads. Grabe yung transition from Gracie to Andrew E. Diba? Grabe yan. Magkikit sa dilim. Fuck, I love that one. I love that song. Tikman at uubusin. Dapat lang uubusin. Yuck! Shoutout sa mga taga Cebu dyan. Kamusta ba sinulog? Guys, sino ba nagsinulog? Kamusta ba sinulog? Please, sobrang nainggit talaga ako sa mga stories, sa mga kaibigan ko, mga pictures na nakakita ko about sinulog. Grabe! How was sinulog ba? Grabe! TJ Monterde. Huwag muna! Aga pa, TJ. Dating tayo pa, ha? Paano naman ang shuffle ko dito? Nananakit. Wag na TJ ang aga, ha? Yung TJ, ano yan, pang 11 p.m. Al James. Actually, I'm feeling ano pala. Parang gusto ko yung song Nick Makino. Pwede ba? Medyo problematic si Nick Makino, pero sa totoo lang, his songs just hit, bro. Al James next. Pero mag-usap tayo habang the music's there. Di naging tayo next, lo. Wag na. Were you playing Melanie Martinez around 9 p.m. last night? I was. How do you know? How do you know ba? I was playing Melanie Martinez. I was listening to the album on repeat. How do you know that? That's crazy. Expecting you sa Sunulog. Actually, yeah, pero hindi kasi tumuloy yung friends ko. And ayokong pumunta doon na mag-isa. Do you listen to Bad Bunny? No, I've never listened to Bad Bunny. Titig by Mac Einstein. I've never heard. Oh, you follow me on Spotify. Oo nga, you can check pala, no? What I'm listening to. Walang umaga. Al James muna. PSG or paumaga? Paumaga na lang. Gusto ko din yung atin-atin lang. Bakit pa dito pa? Di ka pa umuwi. Pagod lang talaga. Gusto mo pahinga. Hi, BD Wacky. Okay, last na to sa Geng Geng songs. Move on na tayo sa Geng Geng songs after this. We're ending with Al James. Actually, si Al James, siguro siya yung pinakagusto kong OPM rapper out of everyone. Boom panis naman, parang ang random talaga. Wag na nga. I'm hungry. Di pa ako kumain. Hindi mo bet si Have Abby? I love Have Abby. Pero, I don't know, iba pa rin yung feeling ko when I listen to Al James. Oh my gosh, TYL by Kaki. I love that song. I think I heard that from Gaya ng pelikula. Spotify Kali Memories. Oh my gosh. I forgot pala na kwento ko yan sa inyo, no? Nung time na na-invite ako sa Spotify Kali, eh. Tapos hindi ko alam. As in, guys, I've seen Al James live nakailang beses na. As in. Because magugulat na lang ako na nandun siya sa event na doon din ako. Anyway, guys. I'm gonna end na. I love you. Final na to, ah. Bye-bye, I love you.